Today we're on our way to Legoland.
Look, a massive Ferris wheel and a roller coaster.
Okay, we've reached the Legoland. Let's go and explore.
I've always wondered how Lego bricks are made. This factory will show you how they're made from start to finish. Here comes a Lego, straight from the factory. By the way guys, this is free and you're allowed to take home as a souvenir.
This is Lego City.
This place is just amazing. You guys have to come and see it. They've really paid attention to details. Everything that you see here is made out of Legos. The Dragon Apprentice. I couldn't get enough of this ride. Me and my dad went twice. Look, a blacktip shark. Even though a blacktip shark is small, it's not the smallest shark in the world. The smallest shark in the world is the dwarf lantern shark, by the way it glows.
This is the summary. It was an awesome ride. We saw bull sharks, we saw blacktip sharks, and we also saw some sand tiger sharks.
This was a major workout for me. I couldn't have done it without my dad. I just want to inform you that if you're below the height of 1.5 meters, the Lego City is the perfect area for you in Legoland. Woohoo! I'm in the train, look at me! Choo-choo! I arrived at the Legoland at 11 a.m. and I left at 7 p.m. There's just so much to do. You'll not be disappointed.
And if you like this video, you know what to do.
Subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye!